If you're getting this error message from Dark and Darker Game, and the error shows Tavern, an error has occurred with a code 16. Now, ensure that you follow the instructions very carefully, and I'll guide you on how to solve this issue. Now, you can try these steps here. First, try setting the game to run in DirectX 11 mode. Now, to do so, if you have the game on Steam, you can just open Steam by searching here on the Windows, search for Steam and open the Steam application. Now go to your library and then look for Dark and Darker Game. Let's say this is Dark and Darker, just an example I'm showing you. So if let's say this is your game, you'll have to select it on the Steam library, then right click on Dark and Darker, and then go here to properties. Now on the properties, on the general tab, you should see launch options. You'll have to type -DX11 just like this, and then close this. Try to play the game and check if the issue is resolved or not. Now, if you're still experiencing the same issue, you can remove it and then try the next step here. Now, the next step is to verify the game files in Steam. Now, to verify the game files on Steam, you'll have to open your Steam, go to your library, look for Dark and Darker Game. Let's say this is your game. Again, you'll have to right click on Dark and Darker and then go to properties, go to installed files, and make sure to verify integrity of game files. Now, to start verifying your game files, once it finishes, you should see an option to play the game. So try to play the game after finishing, verify your game files, and check if the issue is resolved. If you're still experiencing the same issue, update your GPU drivers. Now, outdated or buggy drivers can trigger this crash, which lead to error code 16. As you see here on the screenshot, you'll have to update your GPU drivers. Use NVIDIA or AMD official tools. Now, if you're using NVIDIA, I normally prefer to open the NVIDIA application, which is this one. If you have AMD, open the AMD Adrenaline software. Now, go to the driver section, click this spinning cycle to check for updates. If any updates are available, you should see an option to download them. Make sure to download those latest drivers, and then make sure to install those latest drivers. After downloading and installing the latest drivers, try to close the game and then try to reopen it and check if the issue is fixed. If you're still experiencing the same issue, now try downloading and installing all Visual C++ redistributable packages. You can go to this website here. I'll put the link on the description of this YouTube video. Basically, what you need to do, you'll have to download, which is a zip file. So once you download this zip file, make sure to extract this zip file and open the folder. Once you open the folder, you'll have to run this install all batch. So you'll have to double click on this, which is Windows batch file, so that it will install all redistributable runtimes all in one packages. So download this, it will be a zip file, extract the zip file, it will open the folder. Once you open the folder, you should see this install all bat. Make sure to run this install all bat to install all packages that is available on the Visual C++ folder. Also install it. Also, you can download this DirectX runtime installer. You'll have to go to this page. I'll put the link on the description of this YouTube video. Basically, also you'll have to download the zip file and then extract to open the folder. And then make sure to run this DirectX runtime offline installer to install this as well. After that, try to check if the problem is fixed or not. If you're still experiencing the same issue despite downloading the Visual C++ redistributor packages in the DirectX runtime, you'll have to reinstall the game. So if it all fails, just delete and then just reinstall the game to check if the issue is fixed or not. Thank you so much for watching the video, and see you next time.